Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off music on Beach Buggy Racing. So let's get started. First, open the Beach Buggy Racing game. Tap on the settings option from the bottom left corner of your screen. Here you can see the audio option. Tap on it. Now look at the volume slider below the music volume option. Drag the slider all the way to the left to turn off the music. And this is how you can turn off music on Beach Buggy Racing. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.